How's it going, everyone? So in this video we will be doing a Kegel workout. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support, it helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram at DylanBurke999. So the exercise that we will be doing today is going to be leg raises. Leg raises are one of the best exercises you can do for your Kegels. We'll do 5 repetitions. And again, the point is not to do them quick. The point is to really feel them in your Kegel muscles. So we'll get started right now. And yeah, let's get started. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Just like that. I know in the past we've done 10 repetitions for this exercise. 5 repetitions is what I'm doing today. Again, mix up your repetition ranges. Don't do the same reps most of the time over again. 5 reps, 10 reps, 15, 20 reps, 25, different exercises, stuff like that. Just really mix it up. But again, it's nothing bad if you do the same rep range again or the same exercise again, as long as you're getting these workouts in. That's what's really going to allow you to develop the Kegel muscles. So yeah, make sure you're following along at home. That's the best way to see the results. You just don't want to be watching the video, watching the exercises being done. Best way to do is apply it to yourself. Start doing the exercises with me. I post Kegel videos, 1 video every 2 days, I believe. Every second day there is a Kegel video. So stay tuned. Do another 5 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I know 5 repetitions may not seem like a lot, but we're doing 10 sets. So that's going to give us 50 total repetitions, which is quite a bit in my opinion. This is my 3rd video of the day, so I'm moving along pretty well. Goal is to make 9 vids per day. If I can make 9, I'll be pretty happy. To make 9 videos, it's already 4:45, 4:30. I can't see that far. 4:30, I think. So another 6 vids will take me 2 hours at least. So now I'm 45, 2 hours. So I'm motivated. I want to get it done, you guys. So let's hope I get it done. Let's do another 5 repetitions. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Woo! Just like that, my friends. Again, nothing too fancy. This is a basic exercise. You guys can do this every day if you'd like to. I recommend switching up the exercises though. But yeah, again, you can train your Kegel muscles every day if you want to, and that's actually what I recommend. That or every other day. Don't do them once a week. Don't do them twice a week. Even 3 times a week. Do them as often as possible. More frequency is better in my opinion. Whew. It is getting pretty warm in this long sleep, so I might have to take it off in my next videos. Let's do another 5 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Whew. But yeah, pretty busy weekend to say the least. Only started making videos at like 3:30 on a Sunday. It is Sunday today, so Saturday spent all day helping my brother move. Went to the doctor in the morning and yeah, helped him move after that. Then went for supper with my family and my wife. Then me and the wife went to look at Christmas lights after. Whole day shot. Now today I have some errands to run, and yeah, just 3:30, just starting to make videos now. We'll do another 5 reps right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I have been just absolutely destroyed lately. There's been lots of stuff, busy at work, busy doing errands at home, stuff like that. Just very, very burnt out right now. Hopefully tomorrow is the start of a new week, so work should be back to normal. It shouldn't be too crazy, so that's good. Christmas is coming up. I know, again, this video is being posted January 14th or 15th or something like that, but today is December 22nd, I believe, so my videos are scheduled. So again, if you're watching this, it's actually before Christmas time, so it'd be very tough to make videos, but I am scheduled. I'm 3 weeks ahead of schedule, so the videos will keep rolling in. That's an amazing thing about YouTube, to schedule your videos. Love that. Love doing that. Do another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Something I talked about in other videos is you guys should have goals set out for the new year. Anything that you want. I have some goals in mind, business related, personal related, financial related, and job related. So that's my 4 areas that I group my goals in. The job related ones are pass my medical transcriptionist course and continue doing the same job that I'm doing right now for the whole year. That's the goal. Even though I will be graduating my medical transcriptionist in July, I'm not going to be doing it in July when I graduate. I'm going to keep doing my current job. I'll tell you guys why in a bit. So 5 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The reason being is because right now I'm making really good money on my job. So I'm going to do it for the next couple of years. Then after that, I probably will be obsolete. So, or not going to get too much into it, but if I can do it for another 2 years, great. And then I will do my medical transcriptionist. That is job related. Business related, it's my YouTube. I want to hit 250,000 subscribers, and I want to upload at least 3 vids per day for the whole year. So have 1,000 vids uploaded by the end of the year. Job related and business related, those 4 goals, obtainable, 100% obtainable. Let's do number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Financial related, I'm not going to say that. I don't want to get too personal about that. 2 goals for that. I'm thinking about them right now in my mind. Both of them are 100% obtainable, so pretty happy about them. And then I said 2 business, 2 job, 2 financial, and I think I said 2 personal, but I don't know what the personal ones are. I think just those 6 related. Job, business, and financial. Those are the goals for me. Maybe you can add in one personal, say weight loss. I'd like to drop 30 pounds. So we will see about that. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Just like that. So I told you guys my goals. You guys should have some goals too for the year. It makes things go by quicker. And if you have goals, it allows you to hit short-term goals, medium-term goals, long-term goals, and then you just kind of feed off the goals and you keep having success after success after success. And it just builds up, and you start doing really good. And I've noticed that because, I started doing it in 2018 having goals, 2019 having goals, now it's 2020. 2020. And I'm still making goals, and I'm still climbing in both financial, business related, and job related. It's just going like this, so super good. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it. please follow me on Instagram at Dylanberg999. Thank you guys.